Instead of buying a new genuine Volvo part or spending time and money on repairs, Volvo Reman parts may be a better solution, both for business and the environment. The industrial process of remanufacturing is also minimizing the impact on the environment compared to new manufacturing by reusing up to 85% of the core. And what's more, it also saves up to 80% of the energy it takes to manufacture a new part. In all aspects, the remanufactured parts are technically new and have the same quality, performance, and availability as a new part. All this together means that Volvo Reman parts are offered with the same warranty conditions as our new genuine Volvo parts. And on top of everything, at an attractive price. By breathing new life into worn-out parts, we make sure that our products can keep withstanding the toughest operational conditions on Earth and contribute to more sustainable solutions.